See what 870K is gonna get you in Bala Cynwyd, PA. Let's take a look. So unfortunately, I don't have my cameraman, but that's not gonna stop us from doing a quick house tour.
So let's see what this 2,100 square foot Bala Cynwyd neighborhood home has to offer. Let's walk right up the stairs. We have 2.5 bathrooms, 4 beds, and the view right when you open the front door is absolutely stunning. The homeowners repainted, redid both the bathrooms, and did a bunch of work downstairs as well. Into the first room, here's the baby room. Then we get into the bathroom. Then we head into one of the bedrooms. And now we make our way into the master bedroom, which is fantastic, along with the master bathroom. All newly done. And just look at that shower. Fantastic. Then we head up to upstairs to the last bedroom. And here's a final view of the second floor. Now heading on the main floor into the kitchen. Well lit, some nice space, and a great little side table there. Now let's head downstairs. Little storage area. A lot of space outside. And you have a nice pool that was recently relined. Let's head back inside and look at the final bath.
Actually, a bit of a funny story with this house. So actually the people who owned it, 2 weeks after they closed on the property, they had to be relocated to Boston for their job. So they literally only were able to call this home for just a couple weeks. But they renovated both bathrooms, as you probably saw. They're really nice. They fixed up the pool. It was relined, repainted, new carpet downstairs, and it's absolutely gorgeous and in a super quiet neighborhood. I mean, Bala Cynwyd, that's what you're gonna get with the area, and school districts is absolutely phenomenal with Lower Merion. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below about this house. And if you have any questions, just let me know. My number's on the screen. Take it easy, everybody. Peace.